Mic check. Let us know in the chat. Well, let me unmute this. If you guys can hear us, okay.
Chat's almost right. There you go.
Gosh, such amateurs. We've never done.
Oh, we already got someone in the chat.
Ooh,
Alexander.
Okay.
Let's go. I'm looking to be the next Vlad over here in my area with your systems. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can get lucky.
Alexander
We don't believe in luck, man.
He has that. He's on the same
Four-leaf clover.
Alexander, is our audio coming through okay? All right, let us know if the audio's coming through okay. We're
Oh, here we go. I'm gonna join the live. Okay. Oh,
can I invite?
hold on, I'm gonna join it. I'm gonna ask to join. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna mute myself. Should we mute that one? Where would we be without the people? Jose. Oh, I gotta make sure this time more.
all right, we got 5 minutes before
Matthew's in here. Kate.
oh sweet, cool.
Let's go.
All right.
All right, we got the chat here. Share this video, I'm sure.
Now, when I'm looking into, let me mute this for a second.
This one's still.
Here we go.
Kate said agency operations boot camp was fire yesterday, by the way.
Yeah, it was.
Let's go. If it isn't the legend Vlad himself. Oh, here we go. Matthew Zuko, he came to the Portland workshop. I took a picture with him, shout out to him. He says, I gotta tell Vlad, I finally hit 40K a month.
Let's
If you
go.
remember who I am.
Of course.
Of course we did.
That's awesome. And that's, yeah. How many months?
How many months, Matthew?
Yeah, Matthew. Remember, we took a picture.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, the Slavic boys.
That's right. Yeah.
How did I forget?
Jacob says, just started at Farmers in Michigan. Been listening to your guys' podcast to get better. Let's go.
Amazing. All right.
Jacob, 20K in his first month. You'll get there, man. Let's go. I like this.
All right. Ask the group here if the audio is going to come through, okay? And
you guys
Robin,
in the chat,
on your end, if you are you on the live? Okay. If you step out, give me a thumbs up. I'm gonna play the video right now. If the audio is going to go through, okay, just let me know if the audio's come through.
Rumor has it, I'm a savage.
Welcome to IGC 2022.
Drop the class, to establish that the magic, it's automatic. Got a mask, who was at it? Living legend,
Vlad Churchenko.
never tried, tell them all.
It's a first-class conference. He runs up to the stage. I think you can tell it's going to be a good one.
One of the best events I've ever been to.
I would highly recommend.
Everybody's in here motivated to learn.
I don't see you next year. I don't want to see any excuses. That's all I got.
Play with the fire, you get burned. All of my struggles became lessons well learned. I got desires that keep me grounded, that's for sure. Cause one day we gon' make it out this earth. Where's your worth? I'm sick.
Got Rachel in the chat. What up, Rachel?
That's all right. All right, cool. Let's what time is it right now? 12:11.
12:11.
We're gonna put a countdown timer.
12:11 and 12 seconds. So remember, we're announcing the winner at 12, 12, and 12 seconds on December 12th.
So we're gonna talk about what I use, all that good stuff.
All right, we're gonna do something at 12:12.
All right, cool. Are we going on your Instagram?
We're on both. We're live together.
Sweet.
See, that's
Cool.
just fun.
post this afterwards, we can start from a different time.
Right. Yep. Matthew down here at the Brady Jones Agency. Shout out to Brady Jones. I talked to him a couple weeks ago. He's a stud.
Yeah,
Him and his team. You
Yeah.
guys need your third baseball.
That's right. You guys are one baseball away from coming out to our agency.
That's right.
All right, cool. It is almost go time. We have 3 different times here. One shows 12:10. My watch shows 12:12. That shows 12:11. We're gonna get started, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Insurance Growth Conference giveaway. We got Rob.
Let's go.
Vlad Churchenko here. Let us know in the chat if the audio is coming through okay. We're streaming from a few different devices. You would think this is something we have done before because of how often we go live. We just never go live on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube all at the same time, but
It's the first.
this is a first for everything. Rob, before we announce the winners for the giveaway, tell us what the giveaway is, and then
Yep.
we're going to talk about the conference briefly, and then we're going to pick the names.
Yeah, this giveaway is insane. When the team came together with this idea, I almost shot it down. I'm like, there's no way that we're gonna give this stuff away, but we're doing it. We're doing it. So someone's gonna get really lucky. Here's what the winner is going to receive: 1 IGC ticket. That's wild. That's wild in itself. But if you're going to come to IGC on a free ticket, we can't just let you sleep out in the road. It's going to be a little chilly, I
We
think.
can,
in
but
March.
we don't want
Yeah, we don't want to. So we'll give you a 2-night stay at the Gaylord. And if you don't know about the Gaylord, how would you describe the Gaylord?
It's a mini city.
Yeah.
It's not just a hotel. It's not just a resort. It's a little city.
Yeah,
They have a few of them all across the country. The one here in Dallas, this is where we're going to be hosting the event, is absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, it's insane. So you get the IGC ticket, you get a 2-night stay at the Gaylord Texan, but you also need to get out here. And we don't want you to drive. We want you to fly. That way it's a little bit easier. So we'll cover your flights up to $500, but we'll fly you out to Dallas, get you a hotel for 2 nights, and you come to the conference.
So that's the prize for the winner.
That's
Now,
right.
how are we going to pick the winner? We announced last week. We posted on Facebook and we posted on Instagram. If you comment the word giveaway and you tag 2 agency owners or district managers and fill out a quick entry form, you would be entered into this giveaway. And we've had over 100 submissions. We've had a few partial submissions where people did 1 of the 3 things, but over 100 people submitted all 3 items. And we took all the names, we did some scrubbing, and we put them all in the wheel that you guys should see here on the screen. And we're going to pick the winner here in just a second. But first, we're going to quickly go over what the Insurance Growth Conference is, when it's happening, and some high-level details. So Rob and I will give you that quick overview. The Insurance Growth Conference is an event where we're going to invite 700 agency owners and district managers and their team leads to come to Dallas and spend 2 days with us. It'll be March 24th and March 25th. That's a Tuesday and Wednesday. And the goal for the events is to show how to run a high-producing and profitable agency. There's a lot of agencies that put up big numbers, but they lose money every month. They're not profitable. And there's also agencies that are profitable, but they want to produce bigger numbers. So having that balance of being high-producing while also being profitable is tough. But the good news is there's a lot of agencies that have figured it out. And we have an agency in Dallas, Texas, that runs a high-producing and profitable agency, and we will be sharing exactly what we do at this event. And we invite agency owners, team leads, and district managers to come and spend 2 days with us. Now, the details for this event are all outlined on our website, insurancegrowthconference.com. When you scroll about halfway through the page, Rob, we see the 3 core things that we're going to be focusing on.
That's right.
These are the 3 ways that somebody can grow their business, and specifically here, grow an agency.
That's right.
The 3 different ways are what?
Yeah, so the first way is getting more clients. And that's kind of the most common way people think about when you want to grow and scale. Well, we just need to sell more people. We need to get more clients. So that's one way. But there's two other ways that you can grow. The second way is getting your clients to buy more policies from you. So not just getting more clients, but getting each client to buy more. That's the second way. And the third way is getting your clients to renew more times. So you can get more clients, you can get your clients to pay you more, or you can get them to renew more. Those are the three ways that you can grow, and that's what we're going to break down in great detail at the event.
Yep. The agenda is as follows. Monday, March 23rd, that's when you will fly in. You'll check in at the hotel. And then the following morning, on Tuesday, March 24th at 9 a.m., that's where we go live. We're going to go all day till late that day. We're going to have a networking party at the end of the day. And then day 2 on Wednesday, we're going to go 9 to 5. So that's the agenda. That's all happening at the Gaylord. Now, the speakers, we have some of the speakers announced. More will be announced soon. We have myself, Rob, who are going to be speaking, but then also people that you might have heard of before. Some of these might be new names. Jesse Dreyer, he's an agency owner out in Colorado. He has won Agent of the Year a few times. One of the best agency owners in the entire nation. Very well-rounded, sells a lot of P&C, a lot of life, writes a good amount of commercial, financial services, very well-rounded. And one thing that he has achieved that a lot of agents aspire to achieve is that he's not the one talking to customers all day. He's not the one servicing clients. He's trained his team to do all the selling and servicing. So he's a really good operator, and he's going to be sharing a lot of the things that he does in his agency. We will also have one of our sales producers speaking at this event. Why are we bringing in a team member from our agency?
Well, you know, he's a decent
He's all right.
sales producer. Like he does all right. So we thought we'd bring him in. No, this is probably one, let me give my personal take, probably the best salesperson that I've ever met. If he's plugged into the right process, but also the results speak for themselves. If you guys see it on the screen here, he's written over $1.5 million in P&C premium this year. He averages over 100,000 a month. It's insane what he's been able to do. So we're going to hear directly from him on how he does it.
And he writes quality business. That's one thing that a lot of high producers miss is they write a lot of business, but then it cancels, or they miss
throw
out
it at
on
the wall.
Yeah, they miss out on a lot of key details. They just try to get to the price as quickly as possible, sell the client and move on. He takes the opposite approach. Everybody who buys a home and auto policy, they feel good about their purchase, and that's how we want to sell. We're also going to invite other, excuse me, producers who write over 100,000 in premium consistently. We're going to have a panel of these 100K producers. So think about that. On the stage, you're going to have a few producers who are writing over 100,000 in premium. They'll each share their method and how they do that. And then you'll be able to ask them questions. You'll be able to come up to a mic and ask them a question in front of everybody. Also, there's going to be sessions where you're going to see them in breaks, and you'll be able to come up and ask them questions. So that's who's going to be speaking. But we're also going to have a few other speakers that are listed here. Jacob Morgan, many Farmers Insurance agents know him. He won Agent of the Year a couple of years in a row. He's an incredibly talented individual, great business operator, and he's going to be speaking on a few different topics. One of them is going to be on commercial insurance. Jacob is very willing to share his methods and how he sells commercial, but at this conference, we're gonna extract some extra juicy details from him on how he really writes these commercial policies, things that he's never shared before. He's gonna share for the first time. So no pressure there, Jacob. Keith Wagner, he's going to be talking about commercial insurance. He's gonna have a presentation on how to sell commercial insurance in this day and age. He's trained more agents on commercial insurance than anybody else. And then David Porter, he wrote a book on life insurance. He's going to be speaking at the
Two
event
books,
as well.
technically.
2 books.
That's right.
Yeah. And then if you look at the speakers, the feedback that we've gotten was the speakers are great, but it's a bunch of dudes. Where are the women at this event? Well,
Yeah, that's what that gray little box is.
Yeah.
No, joke.
yeah, we needed a better avatar for that. Now we're gonna have some
Maybe one with
additional
long hair.
Yeah, we're gonna have some additional speakers that are gonna be announced here very soon. that are better than all of these agents combined. So that's that. Cool. As far as the final details of how to sign up, you can read through this page, but it's very simple. Just go to insurancegrowthconference.com, click Get Tickets. You'll be rerouted to this page. You fill in some basic information, process your payments, and right now we have a discount going on where instead of it being $1,500, it'll only be $500. This is the only time of the year where we're doing this. Price will go up in January.
Also, really quick, don't forget to add your partner. I know that we have that on the page here. So if you're coming and you get your ticket, don't be afraid to add someone to that ticket. Bring a friend, bring a family member, bring a team member. Yeah, everyone should be here.
Yep. Final thing we'll say, and then we're going to do the giveaway. Rob, I want your take on what is going to make this conference different than others.
Okay.
A lot of times when I go to insurance conferences, there's a lot of people who come up and they share theoretical ideas of what might have worked many years ago. It feels like people aren't really sharing the tactics that are and strategies that are working today. At this event, that's all we're going to be doing is sharing the tactics and strategies that are working today. And you're not going to be listening to people who sold insurance 20 years ago. You're going to be talking to and listening to people who are selling insurance today at a really high level. Rob, and also that we're going to have different people from different carriers.
Yeah.
It's not just going to be a farmer's agent, it's not just Allstate, but we're going to have independent agents as well. It's going to be a really unique environment.
Yeah, you kind of stole my point
I
there.
knew I would.
You stole my point.
You got to come up with one.
I'm speechless. I'm speechless. Yeah, so just to piggyback on what Vlad was saying, we've been to a lot of conferences, not just insurance conferences, but conferences in general. A lot of times people come up and they might run a successful business or have done something cool, but they speak a lot on mindset and emotions and things like that, which is cool. We all need that. But when you take that back, you might be excited for a couple days and ready to get after it. You review your notes and you have no idea what the next step is. That's not what this conference is going to be like. Very tactical, active agents doing it at a high level. So if you want to learn from the best, come to IGC.
There we go. Well, everything we do, we try to be intentional with. Today's December 12th. That's 12/12.
Yep.
We started this official stream at
12/12.
and we've been talking for 12 minutes. And now it's time to pick our
Hey, really quick,
Not 12
what are the
winners.
odds on Instagram? Oh, never mind. It changed. Never mind. We'll move on. Sorry.
All right.
Sorry.
We're not 12 winners, but we'll start with 2, and potentially there could be more. We'll explain the rules as we go. Rob, you do the honors. You pick the first one.
Oh,
Do the
snap.
second one.
All right, this is a good one. This is going to be the best
Should we
pick
have
of the
Mike
day.
do this on the second one? Yeah, Mike will do the second one.
Let's go. All right. This is going to be the best pick of the day. Completely unbiased. Here we go. Drum roll, please. Everyone on live, give us a drum roll.
Drum roll. It's a lot of names.
I can't even read any of them.
And we need a sound effect here.
Yeah.
The winner is, you're pronouncing that.
Oh, Skylar Peterson.
Skylar
Here we go.
Peterson.
Schooler.
Congratulations.
Let's go.
Let's go. Skylar Peterson. Let me look you up here on our sheets. Let's see if you were tagged by anybody.
I think we got something coming. We got something special coming.
Yeah, what do we got coming?
There's going to be a special envelope on the way to see
If
there's any secondary.
okay, so
winners
let's
here.
explain the rules of a secondary winner. If Skylar was tagged by another agency owner, so if you were the one who tagged Skylar, then you're also the winner. Ooh. Do we have another winner? No? Not for Skylar? All right. So
We got a
winner-
disappointed head shake from the side.
Oh, am I supposed to wait till I get this to
yes.
say? Okay.
Yes.
All right. Sorry. Let's back up a little bit.
Okay.
If you tagged Skylar, then you're also the winner. Let's make this super dramatic. Let's
Okay.
see if there was a person who tagged her, Skylar. No tags. No tags. No second winner, unfortunately, but congratulations, Skylar. All right, cool. Skylar, we will reach out to you by call, text, email, mail.
Today, tomorrow,
Mike,
next week.
do you guys know who Mike is? Mike's the one who really wants to go
Mike.
here. Mike is going to come up here and he's going to pick The next person, Mike, you want to spin? All right,
I guess.
cool. He had no idea that
Right.
was going to happen.
Y'all got to know one thing about Mike. When Mike does giveaways, it comes with a special add-on. So, a special prize at the event.
Okay, we won't know what it is until then.
It is insurance related. Disclaimer.
Okay. All right.
Let's see.
Here we go.
For the special Mike Award, we got oh my,
No way.
Alexander
Alexander
Ryan.
Is that him?
This is the Alexander Ryan. There's no way this
No.
is true. This is no way.
Is that
this is true.
actually him?
I believe so. The Alexander Ryan, who was
Ryan?
the
Is that it?
first to jump on this live today, and he said, "I wish I was the. I hope I'm the lucky
Yeah, he
winner."
said, hopefully I get lucky. Let's
Well,
go.
lucky day.
Amazing. All right, let's see if
Let's check the chat on.
I'm sure he's there. I'm sure he's there. Okay. So if you tagged Alex or Alexander, then you're automatically a winner as well. Let's see.
Oh, here we go.
We do have he tagged 3 people. Well, Alexander, congratulations. We can't wait to see you
Let's
and
go.
your team here in Dallas. We're going to get in touch with you. I believe Alexander was also one of the first people to buy a ticket. So we'll take care of you. We'll either reimburse the ticket that you paid for or give you an extra one, whatever you want. It's entirely up to you.
This comment is hilarious. It's killing me.
You know what's even more hilarious?
What?
Somebody selected Alexander.
Uh-huh.
So they're also a winner.
Yep. Really quick, just to highlight this for Alexander. He just pooped his pants. He said that in the chat.
You didn't have to read that, Rob.
He said that in the chat. And then Trisha says, congratulations, well-deserved on the pooped pants. Let's go, Alex. All right. Who's the secondary winner, Vlad?
You're hilarious, Rob. All right, cool. So the person who selected Alexander was Ashley Hutchins Davies.
Oh,
Ashley Hutchins Davies. You are also winner, which
Let's
makes
go.
you the 3rd winner for the Insurance Growth Conference giveaway. Congratulations, Ashley, Alexander, and the first winner, which was
Skylar.
Rob's Skylar.
Yep, that was mine.
That is it for the winners. Who knows? We might have another one in the future. Here is the 4th place winner that isn't going to get anything.
Dang.
But this is who was supposed to be the next one.
Oh,
We had another
man.
winner.
I wouldn't even want to see this.
Yeah.
No way.
Oh,
Victor Cortez. Victor, you were so close. Yes, so far. We would still want to see you at the event. Maybe we reach out to Victor
Give him something special.
and give him something special. We will do that. Yeah.
since it's the holiday season, I'm feeling festive.
Whoa, whoa,
Victor,
whoa.
if you come see me at the event, I'll hook you up with something cool.
Oh,
Victor. There you
let's
go.
go, Victor.
It just doesn't stop. All right,
Let's
cool.
go.
It's like, sweet.
What about the cars? We're giving out the cars, right?
We're not Oprah.
Oh, dang. Okay, sorry, guys. I tried.
Okay, cool. Well, that's a wrap on the giveaway. Thank you guys for tuning in live. We appreciate it. The people who entered the giveaway, take a look at your email here within the next hour or so. You're going to get an email from us with something special in your inbox. If you don't get an email in the next couple of hours, send us an email, info@Insurance Sales Lab. We have something special for you. Even if you didn't win, but you participated in the giveaway, there's going to be something waiting for you. That's a wrap for this giveaway. We appreciate you all for tuning in live. We'll do more of these in the future. All right, take care. Bye-bye. 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 Woo!